Once you open text editor on Linux, you will see the screen as I'm showing right now. So the first thing you want to do is going to select the bar at the bottom, and then you're going to select HTML. So all the text is highlighted in accordance with HTML. Once it's selected, we can start. So the first thing we do in HTML is just type in doctype HTML. It tells the web page that this is written in HTML, and it's mandatory for that. Next is the most important tag that covers up all the other tags. That's gonna hold all the other tags. It's the HTML tag. This basically defines that this is indeed written in HTML. Now we're gonna press enter, and we're gonna place tabs for organization according to the hierarchy of the tags. And the next tag in line is the head tag. This is of course used to define the metadata for the web page and other data that usually is not physically represented in the actual web page, but it is indeed part of the content. So we're going to press enter and tab, and we're going to have our first tag for the head, which is the title tag. Just basically going to type the title of this web page out. It's going to display on the top once it's done. And we always have to close with a slash in front of the less than sign. There should be a closing tag and an opening tag for most container tags. And we're going to end the head tag. Now we're going to start the body part. This is the part that will usually display most of the content in an HTML web page. This is the part that you will write most of your information in. So we're going to start a B tag, which is a paragraph tag, and it displays text basically. And whatever we write in here, it's going to display in the browser. And we're going to close it with a less than, a slash, and a B, and we're going to close it again with a greater than sign. So since this is a very basic tutorial, this should wrap up about like the basic format and the basic of HTML. Very basic. We're going to wrap up the body tag, and this should give an idea of how HTML web page building basically works. So we're going to wrap this up with a closing HTML tag, and later on next time I will be adding more information next time. HTML can be useful for a lot of things, and once you have your page done, you can save it in HTML format or save it in text format for editing later. HTML format will display on your browser. This was Jurgen. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time with a bit more content. Bye bye.